Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my silver play button. Nakuha ko na siya and sobrang bilis. All I did was contact YouTube mismo. Kasi if hindi ko sila kinontak, hindi nila agad mapapansin na I already hit 100k. So, if you hit 100k and gusto niyo agad makuha, contact niyo agad yung YouTube creator support Chena. Yeah, andito na siya. Wait, let me get it. So, ayan. Sobrang cute ng box. Yung pagka-black ng box and everything. Okay, before I open this, I wanna answer some questions muna. Kasi I was supposed to do a Q&A video last week. I asked you guys to ask me questions on Instagram. But, hindi ko na siya natuloy because actually, I filmed it already. But, hindi ako na-satisfied dun sa ginawa ko. So, malinis ba yung background ko, guys? Pwede na yan. Hindi tayo mapagpanggap dito, guys. My most frequently asked question is always, ilang taon ka na po? Ganyan. And I just turned 18 last July 5. So, there you go. What or who are your inspirations in your TikTok videos? By the way, pa-shoutout na din po. Hi po kay Rhea Domingo. God bless din po. Halos sa inyo sinasabi na may inspiration ako. Kanwari yung mga I like you but or yung mga intros ko lagi na nagtutalk, usually, I just connect it dun sa gusto kong kantahin for that video. Wala naman talaga akong like person or situation in mind. Yung mga intro ko guys, yung it's always, I know, it's always na lads. What's your ideal guy? I've said this already in my live. Yung family-oriented, God-fearing, may drive, or may pangarap, and may drive siya para abutin yung mga pangarap niyang yon. Mabuti yung puso. Basically, kung paano yung daddy ko, ganun yung gusto ko, guys. Ano pong skincare mo? I already posted my skincare routine on this YouTube channel. Matagal na yun, pero wala pa naman akong iniba sa skincare ko. So, you guys can just watch that para malaman niyo yung skincare ko. What's the best advice that you've ever received? The best advice I've ever read or I've ever learned is yung rejection is protection. Am I even in focus? Is yung rejection is protection. That basically means na when you get rejected by an opportunity, a person, basta kahit ano, kunwari hindi mo nakuha yung gusto mo, it just means that you're being protected from something that may happen in the future or something better, something greater is planned for you. So, huwag niyong kina-question yung will ni God for you because He has plans for you and you just have to have faith in Him, okay? Okay. Last na. Sabi ni Flap, sino po crush mo? Wala po akong crush at the moment. Kasi walang school, walang face-to-face. Wala akong nakikita, guys. So, wala tayong crush ngayon. Kahit TikTok crush, wala talaga akong maisip, guys. Wala akong mahanap. I'm so sorry, I'm boring. So, ito na yung pinakahihintay natin. Mag-unbox na tayo, guys. So, here we go. Asan na yung scissors natin? Ay! Hindi ko talaga expect na I would get 100k nung birthday ko. I don't know if it's birthday ko or morning ng July 6, but akala ko talaga yung birthday gift na sa akin is yung 1M ako sa TikTok. But, tuloy-tuloy, ang bilis talaga nangyayari ng mga bagay-bagay. So, I just wanna thank you guys for supporting Juji and for appreciating my content. Here we go. Ito na. So, when you open it, this is what you see. Wala pong laman. And then we have a letter from YouTube. It says, do you remember your first subscriber? Actually, yes, I do. It was myself. I made another account. Kasi walang nagsasubscribe sa akin nun. Matagal na po talaga ako nag-YouTube, guys. Sobrang tagal na, guys. Simula bata pa ako. I love talking to the camera. I love talking to the mirror. I love talking to myself. Kahit anong ginagawa ko, mag-aano ako like, hey guys, so for today, I'm gonna show you. Papa-frame natin to, guys. Presented to Denise, Julia for passing 100,000 subscribers. Guys, isasabit po natin to sa kwarto ko dahil pangarap ko lang po talaga to dati. Akala ko aabot pa ako ng may asawa na ako, nakatapos na ako ng pag-aaral, may mga anak na ako, hindi ko pa ito nakuha. Kasi guys, sobrang bagal ng growth ko dati sa YouTube as in, kaya hindi ko in-expect na makukuha ko to 2021, birth month ko pa. So, this is for you guys. This is for us. Kung napapansin nyo, every time may mahihit akong milestone, lagi ko sinasabing happy 1M to us, congrats to us, happy 2M to us. It's because I wouldn't have done this if it wasn't for you guys. So, laging kapag pag kino-congrats niya ako, magta-thank you ako, sabay congrats din ako sa inyo because this whole social media journey would be boring and would be hard kung wala kayo because you guys help me stay sane sa mga crazy na pangyayari sa buong journey ko ngayon sa social media. And oh my gosh, I can see myself. Oh my gosh. Oh, nakikita niyo yung mga pusit ko. Pusit. So, ayan. Thank you guys so much. Like, okay, balik na natin siya sa plastic kasi malalagyan ko tong fingerprint, promise. How about I answer more questions? Magde-date ka po ba ng fan? Sabi ni xfty_Taeyong. It's not impossible. Advice ko daw sa mga gustong mag-start ng YouTube. Don't do it for the wrong reasons. I mean, don't do it for money. Don't do it for clout. Don't do it for the numbers. Do it because gusto niyo yun. Yun yung gusto niyo. You enjoy doing YouTube. You enjoy making people happy. Kasi kapag, love mo yung ginagawa mo, it comes easy. And when you post content, dapat quality content. Kahit ikaw mismo panoorin mo siya, hindi ka magsasawa. Don't post yung content na for the sake of posting lang or dahil ito yung sikat, ito yung in ngayon. Don't do that. Post mo yung gusto mo talaga para hindi mo i-regret sa future. Number 1 tip, consistency is key. Kasi lalo na pag nagsistart ka, kunwari sa streaming, siguro 1 or 2 pa lang yung nanonood sa'yo. Don't let it get to you kasi nga you're just starting. So, sa una mo talaga malalaman if like, porsigido ka talaga dun sa ginagawa mo. Kasi you have to be consistent. Kasi guys, sobrang tagal ko nang nag-YouTube. Sobrang tagal ko nang nagpo-post sa TikTok. Halos this year lang na-recognize yung mga efforts ko, yung mga videos ko. So, and kapag love mo naman yun, you don't really care about the numbers, sabi ko nga. Yung mga supporters naman, sana maintindihan nyo po na hindi lahat kayo ma-reply namin, hindi lahat kayo ma-notice namin kasi nga sobrang dami nyo po. But we're trying our best. And sabi ko nga, your efforts never go unnoticed. Nababasa po namin yan. It's just, I hope you guys enjoyed this simple video of mine. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment down below video ideas or song suggestions, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!